Beautiful salmon, cured with citrus flavors. Something to kick a little bit the appetizer, you know, for the menu. So, no cooking process involved, just the curing part with the salmon roux also here. Very nice. So, let's start. Hey everyone, this video we're going to make a beautiful cured salmon with citrus flavors that we're going to after that build from it. Beautiful salad to kick a little bit the appetite before you bring in the main course. Something easy, no stove or cooking related things here, yeah, just the cooking of the curing here. So, simple and easy. So, we're going to start with the salmon, and for that we will need fresh salmon. Try to pick something nice, some vegetables, make it green, make it nice, play with a little bit with the colors. Salmon roux, to put it on top to make it a little bit fancy also. And salt and sugar. For the salt and sugar, for the curing process that we're going to do now, I'm going to tell you a small tip. In my opinion, the salmon is already sweet enough, the natural flavor. So I'm not like most of the recipes that I saw, making like 1-to-1 part ratio between the salt and the sugar. I'm doing one part of salt and half part of sugar. So it's going to be a little bit milder on the sweetness part because the salmon, again, already sweet, in my opinion. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. So, sugar and salt together in a bowl. And we're going to zest now all the lemon, all the orange, and all the lime into the bowl. Beautiful. Try to take only the zest without the white part so it's not going to be bitter. And now it's just time to rub it. We're going to rub all the zest with the salt and the sugar together to extract the oils from the zest and the flavors with it. And when it's ready, we're going to put it under the salmon and on top, covering all the salmon. We want to cover it very nice. I'm going to cover it with a plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge for at least 8 hours. You can make it a little bit more, but don't forget it's a tail of a salmon. You have the thicker part and you have the thinner part, so we don't want to over cure it, otherwise it's going to be a little bit more too salty. Let's cut the vegetables. For that, scallions, we're going to take just the green part. We're going to slice them, very nice. Take all of them and into the cold water. Radish, we're going to slice with a mandolin, and I'm going to leave you a link in the description below just in case you're looking for one. This one, a very nice one. So, couple of slices, yeah, try to make them thin, and also to the same cold water, no worries. Coriander, just the leaves without the stems. Stems we're going to use for ceviche or something like that. Make sure to keep them. For that, that's it. Into a separate bowl, we're going to peel the celery and the cucumber. So just take a peeler, start peeling them and making like type of strips. Very nice. And to that bowl, we're going to add also sliced chili to have it nice kick to it. Mix it, a little bit olive oil, salt, of course. Lemon we're not going to add, we're going to serve it with a piece of lemon by the dish, and after that we're going to squeeze it when everybody's going to sit at the table. Because if you're going to add the lemon to the cucumber and the celery in advance, and 2-3 minutes, because it's like peeled, you know, the strips and everything is thin, it's going to cook it very fast and all the salt is going to fall. Olive oil and salt, it's not going to do it the same way fast, but it's still going to do it. So when you're doing it, try to keep it fresh. You can prepare everything. When everybody's sitting, just assemble, you know. Very easy, very fast. Now what we will do, we need to take it out to a plate and clean all this salt, sugar, citruses and everything. The salmon we're going to rinse under cold water just a little bit to take off the excess of the salt and the sugar. And we're going to start cutting it. Just cut the edge, take it off. We can cut it also into this, and we're going to take the skin off. Just come with the knife under the flesh and start shaving it from the skin. Hold with the other hand the skin, and that's it. Detach. Beautiful. Now cut in the middle. Clean a little bit the middle part, where is the spine, the part that usually you cannot eat. And we're going to start slicing it. And when everything is ready, it's time to assemble. Nice plate. We're going to start with the cucumber, celery and the chili on the bottom, the salmon, and after that with the greens, with the radish, and finish with the roux of the salmon and a little bit lime for the kick. This is how you make beautiful citrus salmon, cured with salmon roux, and a little bit vegetables, something to kick a little bit the appetite. So, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you're going to try it, and again, it's simple, just curing, no cooking process here. So, see you next week. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Andrei, this is Enko Food.